Where, sir?
Bro, you're
Where?
already trolling. You're already trolling, okay? I already keep.
I have no violation, sir.
Pandey, give him warning.
Where, sir? Where, sir
Please leave
Pandi?
now.
Kamanto dyan na PD.
He is already on the blacklisted of the interviews and he cannot join the PD anymore. And I telling him to talk our chief directly, but he's not listening. He keep on repeating, and then I think he's just trolling. Okay,
Sir
just give
Jensai,
him
how to
warning.
remove my blacklist, sir?
You need. I'm telling you that. Yeah, give
Sir,
him warning. If he doesn't leave, arrest him. Give
sir,
him
how
free
to
warning.
remove my blacklist, sir?
I'm telling you already. Go directly with our chief and ask him directly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Give him warning, Pandey. If he didn't go, arrest him.
Can I visit my friends? Sir Jensai?
Visitation is already not allowed.
I have no gang, sir. Can I visit my friends? Sir, can I visit my friends, sir? Jinsai? Can I visit my friends, sir?
Visitation is already not allowed, sir. Can you leave, please?
Why, sir?
You don't need to ask why. It's our protocols now. Visitation is not allowed.
What time's allowed, sir?
Arrest him, Pandey. I think he's just trolling already.
Are you arresting me, sir? I want to visit my friends. My God, sir. I want to visit my friends. Sir. I want to visit my friends. Want to join a PD? Are you arresting me, sir? I'm on my body cam. My body cam is on, sir. Are you arresting me?
Lakas ng...
Will report you. Illegal gambling.
Anong illegal... What illegal gambling?
You arresting me? Want to join a PD? Sir.
Chip, 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 chip. Ay, 5 minutes.
Why give me a violation 2.6, sir?